Investor, you're looking forward to this triple witching day tomorrow on Thursday, including the Comey testimony. Do you do nothing? Do you try to anticipate it? Do you try to hedge? What do you do?
Yeah, I wouldn't try to anticipate it. We don't know. There's a lot of goings on in Washington and a lot of ups and downs. But I think looking through that and looking to the the fundamentals, I think coming out of the election, people got too carried away about what we might get, the grandiose reforms and all that. People have scaled that back dramatically, I think appropriately so, but I think there's a danger that people may get, the pendulum may have swung too far, and people may be discounting any possibility of reform. I agree, there is still a better than even chance that we get something before the end of the year, much scaled down from the big hopes and plans, but something. And I think the reason is Republicans will, in Congress, will say if we don't do anything, we're in a lot of trouble in the midterm elections.
Well, that's what Tom Barrack said, Ben.
I agree with that.
Congress has got to do something. But will you be watching tomorrow the Comey testimony? If so, will it be just for the prurient interest in it, or actually because you think it might affect somebody's value?
It would affect somebody's value if some of that testimony comes out, and what that means is that it would put the Trump administration not only in a bad picture, but you get these feelings of derailment of the Trump agenda. That's where the tail risk is for the markets. So if you look at this Trump trade, as we call it, and you just take the S&P, the 10-year and the dollar, it's now all diverging. It's all going to different directions. So, I echo Josh's comments, like there's some hope still in the market, which is in the stock market, but bonds and the dollar have the opposite. They're pessimistic. So this testimony tomorrow is important.
Where's the biggest misprice? Josh, what do you think?
I think, maybe bond yields have gotten a little too pessimistic about things, so I think we could see some backup in yields, gradual and modest. I don't think we're going back, all the way maybe to where we were post-election, but I think a little bit.
Does that mean